Welcome to my first episode of Baby Sniffles Critique. Yay! I was quite excited that you could not tell by the yaying, but when my people told me I could give my opinion on things, cause us kitty cats don't get enough recognition from you humans out there. And I really hope to enjoy what I have to say. Have you watched season 6 of Dance Moms yet? Obviously I have, because I am a very dancing kitty. If you have not seen me before, I can very much break a leg. I love Dance Moms, and so I have been working on my breaking a leg and practicing, and I am gonna be on the next season. I'm guaranteeing it right now, because I am the best dancer. You just haven't seen it yet, and I will be there next season for all of you guys to support me. So I'm gonna do my quick little warm-up routine thingy. We all have it. We all have the LeBron flower and all warm-up that we have to do, and we're all gonna do it right now. You can do it with me as I do it. So you humans back there, roll the clip. Roll it. The link of Dance Moms Season 6 finally aired on January 5th, which is 6 minus 1, I am told. I wasn't able to get the video out this first week, so I'll talk about the first 2 episodes in this show. The girls are all back. Nia, Kendall, and the JoJo with the bow. I have a bow. We need to. This is going straight out to that JoJo girl that has like the 500 bows. Can I like borrow just like one? I have like 2. I have a very bright gray one and another bright gray one. They're very gray. They look very nice. We need to talk about bows sometime, okay? And we have Mackenzie and Kalani and Maddie, you know that one with the no, we'll sing that song later. The newest member of the team is Bryn, and the moms didn't welcome her very well. You know how they go. They walk in, and then they go on and make a big fuss about other stuff. Wouldn't it be nice if we could watch the show without the big part that we all watch the show for, the moms fighting? I mean, let's all be honest, we watch, like half of us, raise your hands right now kids if you watch just to see the parents fighting. I mean, like half of us watch the dance thing, and then the other half of us over here are like 2 prize fighters, like, go mom in shirt 1! And then the other one that's fighting them, we're like, the other half of us are like, go shirt and mom too. But I have had this great idea. What if they had a show with all the pets, the little cute faced kittens and those bright faced ugly dogs? Because I'm a cat, I don't like dogs. But I like those goldfish. I don't know if they have any goldfish, but I would like to eat some. If you could make a reservation at Cat They Eat You, that would be very nice. It's French for I will eat you later. So, back onto the topic that we had at hand. Wouldn't you guys like to know if us cats, or their cats and their dogs, could dance like I do? So, send me your videos of your pets dancing, like I'll put together a big pet dancing episode for you guys because you guys support this and you want to see more. So I like a big thumbs up and we can make that video happen quickly. So just leave contact information below this video to contact me and send me a video of all of you wonderful people out there on the interwebs clicking that like button, leaving a comment, and if I'm lucky, subscribing because you think I'm cute. Second week of the show, we saw Crazy Abby Lee come back on. Okay, so like, we've all heard that they get paid to act certain ways. So like, do you think that she's like just acting, or do you think she's like really like crazy? Like, so I wonder what the new mom, Bryn's mom, was thinking when Abby started acting goofy. I had to laugh whenever I thought of it that way. But okay, anyway, moving on. Maddie wasn't on the episode, obviously, since she was off filming her movie, which we're all very excited to see. I also hope that she comes back soon. It would be a shame and we would all feel left out, like she would be left out of the group and have to get replaced with me. And I'm sure that she misses her friends, and the fact that if she gets replaced by me, she's gonna be like the shadow compared to me, because I'm like the best dancer ever, if you guys have seen. Have fun shooting your movie while I'm off here dancing very goodly. Okay, a big surprise in this episode was how Mackenzie and her mom acted with Miss Abby Lee. Okay, but like, I think we might see some changes in how they act. Maybe this year is Miss Willis's year to have fights with Abby. I don't really know. We're going to have to keep watching to find out. What was your favorite parts of the Dance Moms so far this season? Add your comment below, and if I'm very lucky, and all of you beautiful faced cats out there, all of you humans that watch at home, if I am so lucky to get a subscription, that would be nice. If not, that's fine, just keep watching. I love all the support I could get. I will see you for next time for my kiddie critiques with Mound Music of episode 3. And if I get enough comments and or subscribers, or if I get at least one, you lucky one, will be very nice. I'm not expecting much, even though I am like the best and you all should see me. I will answer any questions you have during my show. Go follow my Instagrams and Twitters. Do not try to be me and try to eat the Twitter bird. It was very enticing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would be so nice of you to do that. Good night, everybody. Thank you all. Bye, guys. See you next week. Outro music. Outro music.